in spite of the challenges.
MDA2 spokesperson Paul Lyngdoh today said that the government in the last 1 year has achieved major milestones which are worth acknowledging. Stating that the performance of the MDA2 government has been phenomenal, Lyngdoh referred to the budget presented by the Chief Minister and stated that the government has a very ambitious plan of action to achieve the target of making Meghalaya a $10 billion economy. He also spoke about the different initiatives brought in by the government, like the CM Elevate program, MGMP, several initiatives in the tourism department and others.
The performance of this MDA2 has been phenomenal. As you can see from the budget presented by the Chief Minister, we have a very ambitious program of action, and we intend that by the end of the tenure of this government, Meghalaya would be a $10 billion economy. The CM Elevate program has taken off in a huge manner. Arts and culture, which was always considered a minor department, today has been able to establish Freedom Singh Library at Dhaka, the Tagore Cultural Complex here at Shillong, and several other activities. The tourism department is busy on a daily basis. You have the MGMP, which organizes shows and engages roughly around 3,000 youngsters. We have about 15,000 people directly and indirectly engaged by the tourism sector. So these are major milestones, and in a single year for this to happen is certainly worth